Would you rather have $1 million right now or a single penny that doubles every day for 30 days? Most people would just grab the million, but that penny, it turns into $5 million over time. That's the power of compound interest. And once you understand how it works, you'll never look at saving or investing the same way again. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how compound interest works, why it matters more than money, and how to use it to build real wealth. So, what exactly is compound interest? Here's the simplest way to think about it. Compound interest is interest on your interest. With simple interest, you only earn returns on your original investment. But with compound interest, your earnings get reinvested and then those earnings start earning too. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. The bigger it gets, the faster it grows. Let me show you the formula. Don't worry, it's simpler than it looks. A equals P times 1 plus R raised to the power of T. P is your principal, the amount you start with. R is your interest rate as a decimal. T is time in years. And A is what you end up with. Let's plug in some real numbers. Say you invest $10,000 at 8% for 30 years. 10,000 times 1.08 to the power of 30 equals over $100,000. Your money grew 10 times and you didn't add a single dollar. Here's what most people don't realize. Time is more powerful than the amount you invest. Let me show you two investors. Alex starts investing $300 a month at age 25. Jordan waits until 35 to start investing, but invests $600 a month, double the amount. By age 65, who has more? Alex. Despite investing half as much per month, Alex ends up with more money. That 10-year head start created decades of extra compounding. Alex invested $144,000 total and ends up with over $900,000. Jordan invested $216,000 total and ends up with around $750,000. Here's a quick trick to estimate how fast your money will double. It's called the rule of 72. Just divide 72 by your interest rate. At 8%, your money doubles roughly every 9 years. At 6%, it takes 12 years. At 12%, just 6 years. This is why even small differences in returns matter so much over time. But here's the thing. Compound interest isn't always your friend. When you carry credit card debt, compound interest works against you. A 20% APR means your debt is growing fast and minimum payments barely keep up. A $5,000 balance at 20% paying only the minimum, it takes over 25 years to pay off and you pay over $8,000 in interest alone. The same force that builds wealth can also trap you in debt. So let's recap. Compound interest means your money earns money, and then that money earns more money. Time is your biggest advantage. Starting early beats investing more later. The rule of 72 helps you estimate doubling time. Just divide 72 by your rate. And compound interest works both ways. It builds wealth when you invest, but it works against you when you're in debt. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more videos that actually explain how money works.